Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek. In today's video, I want to walk you through what is a paid search specialist. All right, because you keep hearing a lot of things about it, and a lot of people who don't know anything about AdWords are very confused with what people who manage AdWords campaigns actually do and their actual job. So this is not for advanced marketers. So if you're an advanced marketer, sorry guys, this video is not for you. This is more for people who just want to learn more about what goes into actually running a successful Google Ads campaign. So there's a few different things here that you have to take into consideration when you hire a paid search specialist. Their job is to do the research, build your campaigns, write all your ad copy, find all your keywords, all of that stuff, okay? Their job is to launch your campaign. Their job is to make sure that your campaign is producing leads and phone calls at a profitable rate. And their job is to adjust course if things start to go sideways or the campaign starts to fail. Their job is to make sure it gets back on track and producing again. All right, so that is the gist of what a paid search specialist does. I'm actually going to go into a live campaign and show you some nuances of things that they might be doing inside of your campaign to make sure all of those things are met. All right, so we're at Google right now. You can see here, if we just go to, let's try something like pest control. Let's try here. Pest control. You'll see here we have two different types of ads. These are Google Home Service ads. We're not going to touch on those today. These are completely different than Google ads. These are the Google ads. All right. So these are the types of ads that your paid search specialist is going to be building and running for your business. Okay, and there's more down here you can see. So these are showing Bucks County, which is where I am, which is right outside of Philadelphia, if you're wondering why. And there's a bunch here. I've actually used these guys. They're great. So that's it. That is Google Ads. That's where they show when someone searches a keyword, your ads pop up for your business right here. And that the search specialist job is to make sure that your ads are showing and that they're getting clicked and that they're producing leads and phone calls. So if we go into the back end inside Google Ads, you can see here we have a junk removal client. This is their Google Ads campaign. I'm not going to go too in-depth into it today, but they're spending about $200 a day as their budget in the last 30 days, which was September 22nd to October 21st, 2020. They've gotten 224 clicks on their ads, and they've gotten 81 conversions. Now, a conversion is an inbound phone call or a contact form submission. Okay, their cost per lead, so they're getting the leads at $34, and the conversion rate for those leads is 36%. All right, so that's exactly where we want to be. We're right on point with this, and we're a paid search specialist, and this is what we do, and this is what every paid search specialist should be doing. Now, if the next 30 days the cost per conversion goes up to $48 or $50, and the conversions are lower, we got a problem. We gotta go into the account. We gotta start going through the keywords. We gotta start going through the ad groups. We have to diagnose the issue and course correct it so we're back on track again. All right, and that's pretty much it. There's not really, there's more in-depth stuff that goes into managing the campaigns, but that's not really for this video. You gotta find the profitable keywords, how to do that. You gotta write the ads that actually make people want to pick up the phone and call you. You gotta craft a hook. What's your hook for your ad? Like, why is someone going to choose you over the other 8 ads on the page? You got to manage the keywords. You got to, increase bids on the winners and pause the losers. You got to monitor and analyze and report all of the data that comes through the accounts, all of the raw search terms, bid prices, stuff like that, conversion rates, click-through rates. You got to stay current on Google Ads, learning and stuff like that, and make changes when they're needed. And that's the job of a paid search specialist. So hopefully I've helped clear that up for you on what exactly they're doing when you hire them, if you're confused or anything like that. So hopefully I've answered that question. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, and give this video a like if you can, and check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you guys. All right, catch you later.